you're a landlord or property manager looking for a simple software to use, you probably have come across Landlord Studio. Let's dive in to see if it's the right fit for your property management business. In this video, I'll be discussing Landlord Studio and DoorLoop. Also, stick around till the end of the video for something special. Hey there, Galina here, a property management expert with DoorLoop. Just to let you know, I do work for DoorLoop, therefore my opinions may be biased. So let's learn everything about Landlord Studio. Landlord Studio features. Here are some of the major features that Landlord Studio offers. A streamlined system to collect rent online, reporting, expense tracking, other basic accounting features such as document storage, tenant screening, and basic maintenance management. Pricing. Let's jump into pricing now. Their Pro Scale plan comes in at $12 per month when billed annually, though it comes with only a few additional bells and whistles, such as advanced reporting and automated reminders. Reviews. Before we get to DoorLoop, let's look at the reviews. Here are several real verified user reviews gathered from major software review sites such as Software Advice and GetApp.com. One user, Scott, says that this software is very intuitive and easy to use, yet still has powerful features to help landlords keep up with their books on their rental properties. User Manoj mentions enjoying that the app is multi-platform. The dashboard is a great way to see your incoming rent and outgoings. The app is multi-platform, and I end up using both on my phone and web browser. Another Landlord Studio user, Donna, says she benefited from the easy setup. Landlord Studio is user-friendly. It only takes a few minutes to set up and you are ready to go. We also see a review from verified user James, who says, I wish it had integrated lease management. Currently, I can only upload leases manually. It would be nice to manage that process inside that application. While another user, Samir, mentioned wanting more from Landlord Studio's reporting feature. The level of detail in reports is limited as of now and requires improvement. DoorLoop. Now that I've covered everything to know about Landlord Studio, let's talk for a second about DoorLoop. DoorLoop features. When looking at each tool's features head-to-head, while Landlord Studio has many core features such as online rent payments, basic accounting features, tenant screening, and a streamlined process to manage maintenance requests, DoorLoop offers those things for commercial properties, residential, student housing, and beyond. It also offers additional property management services, such as a more complete suite of accounting tools, including a full chart of accounts, bank reconciliations, and more. Tenant communication tools that allow you to centralize communications onto a single platform, and more streamlined maintenance management features, such as tenant maintenance requests, assigning vendors to work orders, and more. Not to mention, it offers rental properties some perks, automated rent payments, tenant and owner portal, more robust e-leasing tools, and more. Pricing. DoorLoop comes in at an affordable $49 per month for up to 20 units. You get the right balance of fair pricing and powerful features that save you both time and even more money. Which is right for you? I feel pretty confident saying that DoorLoop is the best property management software. It's more than just features. Not only can you take advantage of a robust set of features that allows you to streamline your entire property management operation with DoorLoop, you also get award-winning ease of use plus award-winning customer support too, at a price that fits any budget. It's truly the complete package. Only you can decide which tool is right for you. But I hope this review helped you get a bit closer towards deciding which option is best for your business. Click the link right here to schedule a demo call with us. You may just get a discount because you watched the whole video. Also, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope we chat with you soon.